Welcome to Civil Construction Corner. Do subscribe for the get notification. Today's point: conventional shuttering support for the vertical section. So vertical section supporting covers in this video: topic 1 footing, topic 2 column, topic 3 shear wall. So first topic, footing. This is a typical supporting for the step footing. There are two steps as shown in this image. If you concentrate over any single side of the footing, we can see there are two steps. First step is directly laid on the PCC surface and second laid over the first box. This is why, because of the getting a proper bonding and proper strength to each other of the steps. Also we can see there is a horizontal and radial support in a equally distance with the staggered manner. The spacing of the supporting should not be greater than the 450 mm to avoid the bulging pressure. Also this is a not sufficient supporting. It is required the radial support by using of the wooden props or the steel props. The one side of the support is the same, we can keep at the all sides. After the concreting and after the de-shuttering, we can see here the finishing of the footing and the sides of the footing. Second topic is a column supporting. This is a typical support for the column. This is a ground floor column for a 7-story building. Size of the column is lesser than the other buildings. If we can see, the bottom of the supporting is a MS supporting, which is included in the channels and the tie rod supporting, and at the top the wooden and the shikanja support uses. Reason of that, while the pouring of the concrete, the major pressures are come at the bottom of the sections, so it is required major supports. So that's why we are using the MS supports as shown in the images. Topic 3, shear wall supporting. Here we can see the before and after shuttering the casted. Now we can see the span are laid horizontally over the plywood. Also it is required the vertical supports of the span, and the span getting supported by the wooden props or maybe steel props. Steel props is always better than the wooden props because the shear walls having a major pressures while the concreting. Also the concreting should be done layer by layer, fold the height of the section, and also it is a equally distributed the material with the equally side of the sections, so that we can avoid the unnecessary bulging pressures and avoid the honeycombing, or also we can avoid the construction joints. Also some internal supporting is like here. This is not a lift shaft, but this is a type of the supporting required to lift shaft inside. This is called fixed supports. After the casting and after the de-shuttering, we can see the finishing of the lift and the size of the lift. Do subscribe to get new updates. Thanks for the watching.